I'm gonna climb behind you here.
Oh
You're
boy.
gonna trust my leg back.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go right there. So we're gonna take this head and we're going right there. Yeah, okay. Head bend. So I'm just feeling how that is, and that's where we need to get to.
Oh,
Wow.
dang.
Holy cow.
Oh, man. You see it all the time, you know, and when you finally feel it, you know, it's a jerk and it's a little pressure there, like more than your body's used to, but,
That I mean, the way that you're responding sounds so relieving.
oh, man. Oh, God.
I'm gonna let you stay there. I want your body just gonna take that in.
Yes, please. Yeah, you know, and I think, you know, and we've talked about it. It's been 20 years, something like that. A lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, you know, on top of everything else, like major anxiety, major stress. And sometimes I bear it too much alone. And so the body is, you know, it's extra tight, you know, extra tight, years and years and years of just activities and work and sports and anxiety and past trauma and past everything. It's like finally a little bit of relief, some relief, you know, because I'm so tight. You've mentioned it. I'm so tight. This is going to be more than like a one-time thing, you know, so to break that up a little bit, okay, now we're moving, now we're getting somewhere, and I'm very happy about that.
Yeah. Right there. Okay. Nice and loose, a little bit more. Yeah. Help me bend over.
Oh.
Wow.